Hello Silver Curlies and future Silver Curlies. My name is Zelda and you are watching Silver Curls Zelda. Well, today is day 3 of my wash and go using the TGIN Curl Bomb. I love it. I still have lots of movement, and it is dry, but that is normal for me, very normal. So there's a couple of things I can do because I'm not planning on washing it for another 3 days. Most likely I'm just going to wash it over the weekend. If I wash it sooner, oh well. One is definitely a little water. I could spritz a little water over my hair and just call it a day. I also, which I probably will do, is use some Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I spray water in my hair with that, mix it up, and then put it in my hair. I have some flyaways up here. They're not bad, but I probably will use a little bit of gel just to gel that down. Not a lot, because I don't mind frizz. So let me show you the back here. This is the side. This is the back. Still movement. Come in the mirror. And here. So use warm water if you want it to kind of absorb into your hair pretty quickly. So I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do with it today. I'm going to use all 3 of these. I'm going to use the water, I'm going to use the curling cream, and I'm going to use a little bit of the TGIN. So this is all I do. And I'm going to let this sit for about a minute or 2. And make sure you're hitting all of your hair. Get underneath there. Oh, this feels good, actually. And that is about it for that right now. When I put the leave-in conditioner in, I'm going to go ahead and grab about that much right here. I'm going to put that in my hand. And then spritz my hand. And sometimes this will even take care of the flyaways. The hair on the side of your face and then the back of your neck also needs a little bit of love because they dry out first. And it's not a lot. You don't need a lot. I can tell a difference. I didn't wait the full couple of minutes like I said I was. And for this right here, like on the top, I really don't think I need any gel. So I'm actually not going to use the gel. And that is it. This will keep me going for a couple more days. And I'll do the same exact thing tomorrow. Water, maybe a little bit, about half of what I used today of the leave-in conditioner. But you can also, if you want, and if you don't want to use gel, take a scarf and tie it down on your hair, and that will hold down the little frizzies that are up in the air. And then once it's up, then you'll see that it'll be flat. And that's all that you need. So that is my tip for Tuesday on my TGIN. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.